So we have the charger. You can see it's charged up. The battery slides off, slides back on when you want to bring it on charge. You've also got this button here, push that. It should light up for you green, it's telling you it's fully charged. Just show you how you connect it. You just lift this up, slide it on that way, just pushes in, closes. To remove it, there's a little button underneath here, just click that, slide it back out, exactly the same way. So to switch to power on, we just turn this here. That's that. To start the motor, we push the yellow button, pull the top lever, starts the motor, pull the second lever, this engages the gear.